Marcy. We're going to get the holidays started, Southern Girls. I'm here with Community Kitchen ATL, Marcy Brazelton, and we're going to make all the things that you're going to need to survive the holidays, or survive, I should say, and thrive. If you're like me and maybe the kitchen isn't your natural habitat, we got you, girl.
Yes, we do. Festive and fun recipes.
I think we decided to start with a little sparkle for the holidays.
Exactly. Cheers again. So, this is the easiest welcome cocktail. No holiday gathering is complete without something fun and festive to hand your guests as they walk in the door. So, one of my favorite things to do, all you need is a bottle of Pinot Grigio. You don't have to use your fancy wine. Get something that's moderately priced, super easy. I like to pour it into these pretty carafes. You chop up a little bit of grapefruit, which we have floating in our glasses here, and I have in my carafe grapefruit and a couple of cinnamon sticks. So this carafe holds an entire bottle of Pinot Grigio. Pour it into your wine glasses, add a little dash of a sparkling something, either a sparkling water, a soda water. That's all you have to do. And you've got this lovely, festive, sparkly, fizzy cocktail for your guests to enjoy.
Okay, was anybody counting? I was. That was 3 steps, and look.
It's so good too.
Can you imagine walking in someone's front door and they've got the music playing for the holidays and this is handed to you like, welcome, we were waiting for you. We're so happy to see you. And look, got a little floating grapefruit slice. Okay.
So we're gonna start with an appetizer. Easy appetizer using some of my favorite products from Bella Cucina, who she is a local brand. She has this artichoke lemon pesto that is to die for.
Yes.
And she has a recipe on her jar that I've used many times. I've kind of tweaked it a little bit and added a new secret ingredient, which is a mascarpone cheese, which is basically an Italian farm cheese. So very similar to a cream cheese, super easy. It makes this dip so creamy. So what we want to do, and I also have my beautiful Vietri dish. I love these dishes because they literally go straight from prep into the oven, into your table without transferring any of your food, and they're beautifully made. This is one of their lastra pieces. I love them because they are just so versatile and user-friendly. All right, so what I've done is I've put a cup of the lemon artichoke pesto in my bowl. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan. I'm gonna add my mascarpone cheese, which is about 1/4 cup.
Side note, kind of looks like mayonnaise for you Southern girls, but it's a little healthier, I think, probably.
Well, I'm not sure it's healthier, but it's definitely more creamy.
Yes.
And actually,
Yes.
on the Bella Cucina recipe, she uses mayonnaise. So mayonnaise is definitely a good substitute.
Which actually, I think in the South, we're not allowed to talk religion, politics, or mayonnaise brands, because that will start a fight.
It will, definitely.
Yes, so the mascarpone.
So all I've done is mix those 3 ingredients together. Again, ladies, it has now taken me about a minute to do this. So, and gentlemen, sorry, I don't want to forget the gentlemen. I've put it in my Vietri dish, which is going to go straight in the oven. Just as a little garnish, I have some freshly grated Parmesan and some fresh thyme. So I'm just going to sprinkle that on top because I love the little pop of green, and it also just browns it up and makes it.
Thyme is so great this time of year.
I agree. And rosemary, you could also do some. It's that time.
It's that time.
Rosemary would be amazing on this as well. Or you could get fresh oregano. The fresh oregano herbs, and just kind of, you can either dice them up or just put the whole leaves on there. It's going to be good. So
that's one of those pro tips. Okay, I just have to stop you because for somebody who is used to picking things up from somewhere and then putting them into her own containers and then arriving like, of course. This is something we did in like, what, 4 steps, and then you sprinkle the fresh herbs on top, and voila.
So easy. And her products, the nice thing about them, you can either go to her store, which is local here in Atlanta. She's carried internationally, or you can order her stuff online, but I'm telling you, this is my favorite product of hers.
Well, and how great, you could give it as the gift, as the hostess gift too. Like, you could bring and be like, you loved it? Did you really love it? Because you can now make it. Oh, okay.
Super delicious. All right, this is going in the oven. About 20 minutes at 400. So we've just taken this amazing dip out of the oven.
Yes.
Literally, again, oven to table, these beautiful dishes by Vietri. I've got Bella Cucina Pan Rustico, which is it's her wafer. They're literally wafer thin sort of flatbreads that work beautifully with this. And what I love about this dish in particular is it has 2 lovely little compartments for all of our little crackery things. So you can put your little crackery things right next to your delicious artichoke lemon pesto dip. And that's literally,
the colors are so beautiful. It's so golden, everything.
Smells so good.
So good.
The thyme adds a little pop of green, and we're gonna add just a few little twists of freshly ground pepper because I love pepper. And there you have it. It's the easiest appetizer ever, and it is so delicious.
I have to tell you, I can still hear it bubbling. I can smell it.
Simple, elegant, delicious. It looks like you spent all day in the kitchen and you spent 5 minutes.
It really does. It really does. Et voila.